Hello, my name is Ana Yasmin Castellanos Torres. I am from Chiquinquirá. I am a psychology student. I am going to speak about the movie Coco. This movie is about a Mexican boy who was to be a suicide, but his family disagrees, but he does not try and go to a single contact that he has a supernatural experience in on the of the and knows about its origins. Finally, manages to return home and fulfill his dream of singing. I learned the value of the family, of remembering what loving. Once I learned that with most respect, attention. I recently lost my father and this movie made me remember his wits, caused this sadness. However, I remember it with gratitude, his values and teachings. From I coaching it's important to highlight home some tradition head families to elaborate this process of overcoming loses the movie of highlights many values. Bye.